Okay, so I've already typed in Prezi into my search engine, and I am going to, the first step would be to log in. And if you don't already have an account, you can sign up right here, but I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and go through. It will give you a lot of different options that are like a premium plan, but you really just need the free plan, and you can choose to go from a template or PowerPoint. But for this, we're going to choose create from template. And you can pick any kind of template you want. So we'll see about this one. This one seems a little plain, so I'm going to pick a different one. This one seems nice for maybe a lesson on icebergs or the Arctic. So once you've picked the template that you like, you click this here, and I'll title this the Arctic. And then I will share it on the web so everyone can see it. Continue. And once you're here, you can edit each page and add text, whatever you need to put. Or you can change the header. All you have to do is simply click on the boxes and it will take you to the next thing. Once you're done editing, and say you added a bunch of topics to it, and we're finished with the project, then you go to present. You make sure it looks the way you want it to look. Looks pretty good. Then you go to this icon right here and you can view your link, or you can set up another link. I had added a title for the link, and then you hit create link, go down here, copy it, and you can paste it anywhere you want to. If you want to put it in your search bar, make sure it works for you, and then you're done. Then you can present to your class.